Hi everyone, welcome to our beginner sun salutation A, also known as Surya Namaskar A. We're going to get started in Tadasana at the top of our mats, and we'll move through a warm-up before coming into the flow. Stand with your feet under your hips, toes facing forward. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands through center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Get used to moving your body with your breath. Next time hands come to the heart, drop your chin to your chest, bow your head, thank your heart. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees deeply. You can cross your arms, sway side to side, shake your head no, nod your head yes. The more you bend your knees, the more you release the lower back. Let your legs hold you up. Place your hands on the mat and bring your knees down. Come into tabletop. Knees are under your hips, hands are under your shoulders. Inhale, drop your belly, look up. Exhale, pull your belly up and look down. Inhale, come into cow pose. Exhale, cat. Go one more time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look towards your belly button. And come back to center. Shift your weight forward and back gently to stretch your wrists. Whenever we stretch the wrists, there should be no pain. It's a very delicate area. Flip your right palm up towards you to stretch the top of your wrist. Again, this is all very gentle. Listen to your body. Let's switch sides. Bring your palm back down, tuck your toes, and come into a plank pose so your shoulders stay above your wrists. Keep pulling your navel to your spine and breathe. Now we're coming into the famous yoga push-up or Chaturanga. Keep your elbows as close as you can to your body and lower yourself all the way down to the mat. Hands behind you, palms down. Lift yourself up into Shalabhasana, locust pose. Instead of looking straight forward, tuck your chin a little bit down to keep the back of your neck long. Hands under your shoulders. Tuck your toes and lift the hips up and back into downward dog. Now in downward dog, let's bend the knees and lengthen the hips back. So having straight legs is not necessary here. We're going to walk the legs one side to the other, keeping your toes in the same spot. Make sure to keep your fingers wide and your palms flat on the mat. Bend your knees and slowly walk forward towards your hands. Keep your knees bent as you exhale, fold. As you inhale, place your hands on your shins, lengthen your spine. Pull your shoulders back, chest forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. We're going to take it a little bit faster this time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, Uttanasana, fold. Inhale, lift halfway, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, bring your hands down, plank pose. Walk your feet back. Bring your knees down for your Chaturanga and hug your elbows as close to your body as you can. Lower yourself down on your exhale. Sphinx pose, inhale. Bring your elbows under your shoulders, pull your shoulders back, chest forward. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. If you want, you can extend the arms for a deeper stretch or stay where you are. Hands under your shoulders, tuck your toes. Downward dog, lift up. Press the hips back. Remember, our focus here is on having a long spine, so don't worry about the legs. Keep breathing in downward dog and gently move your hips side to side. So if you were a dog, you'd be wagging your tail. Focus on keeping the weight even in your arms, pressing down into both hands. Inhale, lift up on the heels. Exhale, bend your knees and walk forward to your hands. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up, sweep the arms high. Exhale, hands to the heart. Let's go one more time. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, plank, hands down, feet back. Feel free to bring the knees down or stay with your legs straight as you lower yourself all the way down to the mat. Inhale into your arch. Pull your shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, release. Tuck your toes, downward dog. Inhale, lift the heels high. Exhale, bend your knees and walk forward. Feet are under your hips. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up. And bring your hands to your heart. Exhale. Feel free to repeat this sequence several times. We'll go over other variations in other videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more. Namaste.